how to transfer money from Venmo to Capital One. So if you want to transfer money from Venmo to Capital One, it is actually quite simple to do so. You can use Venmo app to send money to a linked bank account. So first of all, open up the Venmo app and you first need to make sure that you are logged into your account. So you can create an account if you haven't created, but you can go to login and make sure to enter your phone or your email address or your username as you'd be able to see. Then after that, go ahead and then enter your password and click on the sign in option here to sign into your account. Now once you sign in, just go to the Me tab and from there go to add or transfer under wallet. Enter the amount to transfer, select instant for a small fee or 1 to 3 business days for free option. You can choose the linked bank account or debit card to use for the transfer, and you can confirm the transfer details and tap on the green transfer option. Keep in mind that standard transfers are free but slower than instant transfers, typically taking 1 to 3 business days to arrive. But to give you an idea, this is how you can transfer money from Venmo to Capital One or even any of the other linked bank accounts. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.